this quick tutorial, I will show you how to successfully buy from verified supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Lucky Yahoo. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to successfully buy from verified suppliers in 1688, a step-by-step process. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Alright, so this particular supplier here, they were a verified supplier. And for you to know if a supplier is being verified, you have to check it on here, right here. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is to add the item to cart. And for me to add an item to cart from this verified supplier, I have to make sure I click on here. Then everything open up like this. Next thing I need to do is to make sure I choose my style from the top right here. So I make sure I choose my style. So I need this black color of this particular style. So I'm going to make sure I select on that. Then I have to come down below right here and choose size. So I need size 40, just one quantity. So I will just click on here to add one. Okay. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to successfully and completely add this shoe into cart. So I'm going to click on that. So it has been successfully added to cart. So let's check on another supplier and see how to successfully buy from verified supplier and add the item to cart. Alright, this supplier also I want to buy from them. So I need just 3 pieces from this particular supplier, and for me to do that, I need to simply click on here just to add the item to cart, then open up this page. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is to simply scroll down and we click on here to proceed to payment. Then right here we need to make sure that our Alipay is checked. Next thing we want to do is to click on this particular button at the bottom right here to proceed to payment. From this very point here, we need to click on here to proceed to payment. Then we enter our payment password. So with this, payment has been done successful. Next thing I need to do is to make sure I click on here to go back to my profile. Then go back. So for me to go back to my profile, I need to make sure I click on this icon at the bottom right here. By the time I refresh my profile, the 2 items we purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we have it. So this is the first shoe and this is the second shoe. Different style, different sizes from different supplier. So this is how to successfully buy from verified supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about China importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.